on foot, but I invented these things.
Not bad. My turn.
Wow, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Really?
You look cool even when you're making a complete fool of yourself.
All right, load him up. Hurry up, and nobody gets hurt.
Whoa, we gotta stop those jerks. What's going on here?
Oh, these delightful young men were just ransacking our poor village and taking all our possessions.
They probably need them more than we do, being bandits living on the lam and all.
Yeah, so back off, blue guy. This is what we do.
Oh, yeah? Well, this is what we do.
Ugh. This isn't over. I spoke too soon!
Thank you, strange travelers. You've saved us Gogobas from the scourge of weasel bandits and scattered all our belongings carelessly across the dirt.
Sorry, I'll help pick them up.
Oh, no. We wouldn't want to trouble you. I'll do it myself. It probably won't cause my chronic back pain to flare up too much.
Oh! Ooh!
Oh, don't worry about her. She'll pass out from the pain soon. In the meantime, the rest of us will throw our valiant heroes a victory feast.
Well, thanks, but we really gotta...
Oh, it's okay. We know how busy you are. Within a few months, this will turn into compost, and we'll be able to grow new food to eat.
Well, I guess we could stay for a quick bite.
Wonderful!
Aren't you guys gonna eat?
Oh, no. We'd much rather watch you enjoy your food.
That's the only nourishment we need. That was a growl of joy.
These Gogobas are so nice.
Yeah, so why do I feel so terrible?
We gotta get out of here.
That was really delicious. We loved it. Loved it. But we should probably get going.
Of course, of course. Why would you want to stay with us after we made you this incredible meal?
No, we do want to stay. It's just that...
Wonderful! Allow us to prepare your accommodations. Fetch our new friends the finest, softest blankets in the village.
Maybe this won't be so bad.
The children in the nursery can huddle together for warmth.
Oh. Hey, the Gogobas are finally gone. Let's sneak out of here.
Can we get you something?
Whoa, where did you come from? We thought everyone was asleep.
How could we sleep when we've got guests to take care of?
Actually, it's guests of whom to take care.
We can't sleep. Of whom?
We really should be on our way.
Go, go. We'll be fine.
Until the next inevitable bandit attack.
It's okay. Just promise someday you'll come back and visit.
The smoking crater where our village used to be.
Wait! I got heirloom tomatoes and some really nice pastrami. I'll pack you sandwiches.
Tails, these guys are nuts.
We gotta get out of here.
But how? We're stuck here as long as there's a threat from those bandits.
That's it. If we can create a defense system for the village, the Gogobas will be safe and we can leave.
Yeah, but what if I'm right and they're just nuts?
That's a chance I'm willing to take.
Gogoba Village, allow us to present your new state-of-the-art defense system.
You no longer need us to protect you from invaders. And the best part is, it's totally foolproof.
Goodbye, friends. Oh, come on.
Seriously?
I'm so sorry. I wish I had a better excuse. But it's hard to concentrate while all the blood is rushing to my head.
We'll just hang here until we go numb.
Then our bodies will reflect our emotional state.
We can totally fight Eggman or bandits, but how do we fight guilt?
With more guilt. Follow my lead. Hey, Chief, it's been great and all, but unfortunately, we have to go now.
But we haven't finished stitching your friendship quilt.
All right. Well, we could stay, but our plants back at home. I mean, without us there to water them, well, I suppose it's their own fault for being plants.
No, you have to go. Far be it from us to let the well-being of our entire society hold you back from watering your precious houseplants.
No, your well-being is much more important. I mean, if the plants need water so badly, they can walk to the kitchen and get it themselves.
Oh no, we've just met. But you've known your plants for a long time. Go to them. We'll be fine.
But in all that time, the plants have never given us anything except oxygen.
And nutrition.
All right, you win. We can't keep you here. You should go.
Seriously?
Yeah, go. Leave us. Goodbye forever.
Hey, thanks for everything, Chief.
Call to let us know you made it home okay. Otherwise, we'll just sit here and worry.
I thought we'd never get out of there.
Well, at least we're finally back home.
Welcome home! We had to let ourselves in, since you don't have a door.
Or any cold beverages or snacks.
But don't worry, we made do.
What are you doing here?
We figured that if we were here, you could keep protecting us. And in exchange, we can water those houseplants of yours. Where are those, by the way?
Ah,
And that's not all we've done for you.
We opened all your mail.
And we uncanned all your food.
Next, we'll check all your messages.
give me that.
You have 4 messages.
Hey, Sonic, it's Dr. Eggman. Just so you know, I'm planning to blow up the dam this Sunday. Hope to see you there. Not that you can stop me. Hey, I'm here at the dam. Just waiting on you now. Gonna blow it up any second now. Thought you wouldn't want to miss it. Oh, sorry, butt dial. Didn't mean to call you. All right, it was a trick. I was gonna ambush you, and you didn't even have the decency to show up. That's really rude, Sonic.
Wow, that guy can't take a hint.
Well, look who it is. Mr. I don't have time to show up to Dr. Eggman's ambush.
This is a really bad time, Egghead.
No problem. I'll come back later when you're ready. Just kidding. Robots, attack!
Excuse me. It's really hard to swallow. Would you mind?
Oh, pardon me. I didn't mean to get in the way of your deranged evil rampage.
Out of the way! This isn't working. We can't keep fighting around these Gogobas.
Maybe we should fight over them.
That's what I'm talking about. Take that.
You gotta be kidding me!
I suppose it was our own fault for being in the way.
Yeah, you know what? It was your fault. I usually win these things.
Hey, are you trying to steal our new teammates?
New teammates?
Yeah, we couldn't have won this battle without the Gogobas.
And if they joined up with you, it'd be like you won this battle. You'd be unstoppable.
Yeah, I would, wouldn't I?
We wish to stay with our protector, Sonic.
Fine, let poor Eggman suffer the humiliation of defeat after defeat, even though you can help him.
Well,
Come on, Crony. What's an evil genius have to do to get you to switch sides?
we pretty much bend a knee to the nearest tyrant who wants to enslave us.
Done and done. Follow me. So long, losers! March in unison, please. I like organized followers.
Hey, do you have any unsalted butter? It's not a problem if you don't. I'll just have an allergic reaction that'll make me smell like feet, but don't worry about it.